In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write your first blog post on Wix. We'll start from inside the Wix editor, where you design your website. Look over to the left side of the screen for the toolbar. Near the top, you'll see a plus icon, which is used to add new elements to your site. Click on that plus sign to open the Add menu. This is where Wix keeps all the building blocks for your website, like text, images, and apps. In the menu that opens, look for the option labeled Blog. It might appear as blog or add blog, depending on your version of the editor, but it will clearly mention blog. Click on blog. This tells Wix that you want to add blogging features to your site. Next, you'll see an option that says Add to Site. Go ahead and click Add to Site. What this does is connect the Wix blog app to your website, so you can create and manage posts. It may take a moment to load while Wix sets everything up in the background. Once that's done, look toward the top of the editor and click on Site. This opens a menu related to your overall website settings and tools, not just the page you're editing. From there, choose My Dashboard. This will take you out of the visual editor and into the main dashboard area where you manage your site's content, including your blog. Inside the dashboard, find and click on Blog. This is your main blogging hub. Here, you can see your posts, comments, categories, and all the tools you'll use as a blogger on Wix. Within the blog section, look for Posts and click on it. This is where all your blog posts will be listed. Right now, it might be empty or show a sample post, and that's completely fine. To create your first real post, click on Create New Post. This opens the blog post editor. You'll see fields for your title and main content, along with options to add images, format text, and more. From this point on, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Wix will guide you to add a title, write your content, adjust settings like categories or tags, and choose whether to publish immediately or save as a draft. Take your time to explore the editor, and when you're happy with your post, go ahead and publish it. That's all you need to write your first blog post on Wix.